Hey my people, what's up? How you doing? I'm so happy to meet you once again. All right, this is when we're back on Monday. If this is the first time you're stepping across this channel, please do what to subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that whenever I upload, you can always have be the first to get a notification. All right, I make video about your business, cryptocurrency, forex, and whatever that will help you succeed in your business world. All right. So I can see that the previous video I made about how to recover coin it has a lot of interaction, and through that I've seen a lot of person with a lot of issues. So like you all know, I whatever I bring across to you guys are some solution that I've experimented and I've gotten myself. All right, that's what I try to bring across to you guys. All right. If I didn't get an issue and then a solution on my crypto whatever, I wouldn't make such video. And if I didn't get a good result, I wouldn't make such video. So whatever I'm bringing to you here is a solution to whatever problem or an idea. All right. So before the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys some good coins. I mean, one good coin that I've bought, I literally bought it with $2. Let's say 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks to the day that this video is uploaded. All right, 3 weeks ago, and right now, $2 worth of coin is worth about, as at last time I checked, it's worth about $600 now, and in just 3 weeks. All right, just 3 weeks. So so you have to stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, I might mention it in the middle, I might mention it in the end, so you have to watch it to the end. All right, it's investing the right coins are a very good investment. All right, and I noticed that from other videos and from comments, from questions, from emails, in fact most of your emails have not been able to reply them because there are so much. I figured out that most persons are having a lot of challenges on transferring, getting coins, sending to another wallet, and what many other things like that. So that's what I'm trying to. I'm going to make a lot of videos, educational videos that will handle that. All right, handle all that area. All right, so that's why some of these ideas I'm giving to you free. Most of you pay a good amount of money to get, but I'm giving to you free. All right, like the coins. So I'm going to give that to you free of charge. All right. So at the end of this, what do they call it? Um, So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to, deposit your to withdraw your crypto, let's say Bitcoin, Litecoin, through remitano to your bank account in Nigeria, especially those in Nigeria. All right, if you're not living in Nigeria, you're living in other countries, and you've registered on remitano, you can withdraw it into your local bank account. All right, so I'm just going to take you through that tutorial right now. All right, and subsequently, I'm going to be making a lot of videos on Binance. All right, but there's a lot of impression I want to correct. All right, I'm okay. Maybe till then I'll make video on that. All right. So these are some video topics that are coming up that I need to clarify. The difference between token and coin, and the difference between an exchanger and a wallet holder. All right. So because I notice most persons they lost their coins, sent into an exchanger that does not support the network that their coin is operating on. All right. So I'm going to give you a recommendation of good wallets, maybe other subsequent video coming up. So for now, that means you have to subscribe. That if you're not subscribed, all right, subscribe to this channel. Before I go on or dive right into the video, guys, I want to thank you. We are now at 500 subscribers. Woo! Yeah, yeah, I really appreciate you guys for that. All right, I thank you guys a lot because it would not have been possible without you guys. But thank you for sharing, thank you for commenting on my video, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So can we make that milestone before this month runs out? This is the month of May, so let's see how we can get to 1,000 subscribers before the month of May round up. All right, so we are getting there. All right, so let's dive right into the video.
All right, guys. If, we are going to my remitano account right now. If you're by now you're not registered with remitano account, I'm going to drop a link below where you can use to register for a remitano account. It's very simple and it's reliable. It's a reliable P2P platform that I've used and a wallet I've used for a very long time right now. So they are very reliable. The security is tight. All right. So I had some Litecoin right here. So I'm going to show you how to sell Litecoin. So You can see there's Litecoin in my account of about I think 0.2, and then I'm about to sell it. And then what you just need to do is click on the button there and choose particular coin, and then click on sell. By the time you do that, the ads will be displayed. You can see I have to click on sell, and how much I want to sell, I have to click max. And once I click max, now the ads, the entire list of ads will be displayed for, and then I have to choose the one that synchronizes with the bank account that I have to sell to. All right, so I chose access. All right, and then just go through this option. This is just like a bonus question that say choose a bank transfer, and then I also chose access. All right, so now whenever a trade is created on Remitano, the person is given literally 30 minutes to complete the trade. As in the buyer at the other end is given 30 minutes to complete the trade. After 30 minutes, then the fund is released to you if the buyers does not comply. And for a long time now, the buyers always comply and they are always fast. I think this Remitano is simply the fastest. All right, for me compared to Binance, Remitano is much more convenient compared to Binance. Reason being that the buyers are given just 30 minutes to comply. All right, look at this person. This person has already paid, and I have to confirm. All right, see, I confirm the alert before I can confirm the person, and the trade has been released within just 30 minutes, and this is done. And the buyers on Remitano they are always very quick to respond, very quick to respond. Although Binance they respond too, but most times you have to call them, you have to send message, you have to send text or whatever. But on Remitano, before you see an ad appears, the buyers are online. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. This is the end of this tutorial. This is how to sell whatever cryptocurrency you have. All right, for instance, Litecoin on your Remitano account. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like the video. I hope you subscribe. So I'm going to be bringing more content your way. All right, so be sure that this is just how to sell your crypto safely without getting banned on one of the most reliable platforms. So see you in my next video.